Very nice. Okay, Steve and Christine, come on down. We're gonna do a little game here. Steve, I'm gonna give this to you, so Rebecca, we can make sure this guy is hot. We're gonna do a little game. This is called Solo Sound Effects. Now, what's gonna happen is Christine is gonna do a scene, but all of the sounds that are gonna happen in the scene are gonna happen from Steve, who's gonna sit right over here on this red chair. Right there. There you go. Yeah. Or he's gonna sit down there. He's sit where he wants. And as she's making these sounds, as things are happening in the scene, Steve is gonna provide all the sound. So I need an everyday activity that people do.
Shower.
What's it? Everyone plays tennis every day. God, I wish I could live your life. Flossing your teeth. Flossing your teeth. Okay, so this is solo sound effects scene. We'll have somebody do have flossing your teeth. Steve will provide the sound effects, and we'll find out what happens. Here we go.
You should know what floss is. I need some. Whatever, dude. Look how pearly I am.
Those are nice.
It's still early in the morning, your breath stinks. I'm going to the kitchen and make us some food.
Oh, come.
Oh, I need a bowl.
Oh, thanks.
I like bruising.
Ah.